Hi everyone. We're in module 14 and today we're reading the article The Science of Gratitude, How It Changes People, Relationships, and Brains by Karen Young. I'll read aloud and then I'll tell you to pause the video when it's time to answer one of the questions. Gratitude. We're all capable of it, but sometimes we need a little reminder or a little convincing to practice it. There are many reasons to practice gratitude, but we are only recently discovering one of the big ones, its capacity to change and strengthen the brain in remarkably positive ways. Gratitude is powerful. Research has shown that gratitude can improve general well-being, increase resilience, strengthen social relationships, and reduce stress and depression. The more grateful people are, the greater their overall well-being and life satisfaction. They'll also have stronger immune systems, lower blood pressure, and better sleep. They'll be more alert and more generous, compassionate, and happier. Grateful people also have a greater capacity for joy and positive emotions. So pause here and answer question 1. Okay, why is gratitude important? 1. Gratitude strengthens our connections with people. Gratitude is an acknowledgement that something meaningful has been done for us. It's an open-hearted, deliberate recognition of the generosity of the giver. Of course, we can also be grateful for broader things that haven't necessarily been given to us by someone, such as our health, a safe place to sleep, or friendships. As with material things, though, showing gratitude for the less tangible things in our lives stops us from being seen as entitled or a freeloader, neither of which generally add shine to social relationships. 2. Gratitude lets people know we aren't the type to take things for granted. There are 2 types of people, those who wave thanks to people who let them in traffic, and those who don't. Each invite their own response from the world. Gratitude shows that we're good to be in relationship with, and that we appreciate certain things without expecting them. 3. Gratitude reinforces generous behavior. Gratitude reinforces generosity from the giver and from the receiver. When there is an open display of gratitude in our relationships, both people are more likely to repeat the giving and the open-hearted receiving. The effect of this is not only from the person to person, but it can ripple into the world. 4. Gratitude squeezes out negative feelings. It's impossible to feel grateful and negative at the same time. The more space gratitude is allowed to take up, the more it will expand itself and make way for other positive emotions: connection, happiness, appreciation, joy. More good feelings means less room for toxic ones. 5. Gratitude helps with depression. Research has found that gratitude can help with depression and increase positive feelings. Enough said. Pause the video here and answer question 2. Okay, by this point you should have answered up through question 4, and we're going to continue here. How does gratitude change the brain? When the brain experiences gratitude, the parts of the brain that are activated include the ventral and dorsal prefrontal cortex. These areas are involved in feelings of reward, morality, interpersonal bonding, and positive social interaction, and the ability to understand what other people are thinking or feeling. Gratitude also has the capacity to increase important neurochemicals. When thinking shifts from negative to positive, there's a surging of feel-good chemicals such as dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. These all contribute to the feelings of closeness, connection, and happiness that comes with gratitude. Pause the video here and answer questions 5 and 6. Okay, at this point, if you've answered questions 1 through 6 and read the entire text, you are ready to move on to the synthesis activity.